What's going on, traders from around the world? Welcome to your Wednesday real life stock review. Hope you're doing amazing. And yeah, I'll start off with Tesla. Why not? What's interesting is right now we are actually up post market a measly 4%. So the thing is, earnings are coming out. They are really not bad, but they're also not amazing. I actually expect this gap to go from green to red overnight. Mostly because so many people are pumped about Tesla's earnings. And again, I love Tesla. I'm a big fan. This is just going to be an implied volatility play, in my opinion. You're going to get a little bit of a post-market move, which you're getting. But I'm expecting this to fade down, unfortunately. So for shareholders, congrats. Maybe you were able to peel off your position some as it hit some highs up here at 700, 1700. And then most likely we're going to just slowly sell off. And we're going to open down small is my guess tomorrow. Now again, it's a sheer guess. Anything can change between now and then, but it makes sense. Trend is bullish, and all the option sellers are going to have a blast, like myself. Selling options into earnings, not really buying a lot, just simply because having some positions in case it goes higher is always a good thing. But mostly, option volatility was the way to play Tesla. Just tons and tons of volatility, guys. There's literally premium for a $100 put sale for December. I mean, what in the world is going on right now? It's unreal. So yeah, we'll see how she opens. Trend looks good, chart looks good, everything looks nice. Buy the dip, be bullish longer term. I did take a day trade on Tesla today, lost small, and that's okay. It was a really good setup, so we tried it. Here was the move, and we got in. That's my alarm to make this review. Here's the Morningstar reversal. There's the hammer. Got in there, stop loss there, and just got stopped out. So all good. Lost on Tesla, no big deal. Did play a small win on Spotify. So here's the trade setup on Spotify, and here's kind of we played it on the 3-minute chart. So 3-minute chart, pretty much. If I move the moving averages off the screen, you can see a little bearish volume hammer candle. So we just got in on that candle on a pullback. So we missed the breakout, and we just took the pullback right here and then just played it for a small win. So it ended up trailing, we ended up getting out around here for a small win. And so small win on Spotify. We did a little bit of a scalpy scalp on Beyond Meat, take some BYND, playing the really, really easy compressionary pattern right there. So a little bit of an entry there. I think entry was there, stopped there, and we got out. Literally the target was 133. So quick little boom, pow on Beyond Meat. And then Pinterest, man. Pinterest got me good. Played a bearish trade today, which apparently was dumb. Looked really good for a second, but, it's been really, really hard to make bear money in the market recently. So shorted here, stop up there on Pinterest, and just didn't work. Simple as that. It got a really nice wick. So we got filled right there. It rolled over, looked really pretty, made kind of a new low. Thought about exiting right there. Really came close to it. It just wasn't. It was so close to an R, but wasn't quite there. And then bang, and then this candle comes in. So, what are you going to do? So anyway, got stopped out of Pinterest, lost about 0.7 hours on that one. And then also got stopped out of an AMC swing trade, playing this hammer on AMC, so it got stopped out today, and that's totally fine. The good news is AMD looking brillante. So AMD, I mean, this is one that I've been harping on bullish for a long time. The leading S&P stock of 2019 was AMD, and now we're at all-time highs. Strong close, amazing trade, and the amount of real-life traders who are making incredible money on AMD is quite high, quite substantial. So we've been buying shares and doing put sales and doing covered calls on AMD really ever since this hammer on May 27th. So gorgeous trade, gorgeous trend, and phenomenal play. AMD, ladies and gentlemen, earnings is around the corner, but buy the dip. That is a breakout, my friends. Bull City is here for advanced micro devices. Virgin Galactic, SPCE, just kind of hanging out at a resistance. In a little bit of a public participation phase, or so it seems. Also had some requests for today. Let's go look at Twilio. Twilio, trend is bullish on Twilio. When will it stop? No one knows. Buy the dip. Nice little bear candle. So this is an all-time high, so you're not really going to be super excited about taking that breakout unless it was a really, really quick scalpy scalp. But otherwise, trend is amazing. Here's the weekly chart. So text message marketing, pretty much what Twilio does. And this bad boy is screaming. Look at this hammer on a weekly chart. So realistically, I think we just go higher. So stay with the trend. Don't try to pick the top on that one because you will not get it correct. Next on the list, as far as requests was concerned, Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson's just hanging out. I do like the fact that it took out this resistance here at 28. Here's your long-term averages. Harley-Davidson's just riding the struggle bus recently. The 200 simple moving average is 29.44, and the weekly 100 is 33.87. So got some support, but you also have some resistance. It looks okay. It's more bullish to neutral. Nothing amazing, immaculate, or incredible on this one, at least in my opinion right now. Just hanging out. It's all right. Next on the list, Home Depot and then Walmarto. So Home Depot, well, it's Home Depot. So be bullish. Stay in. If you're in shares, long-term calls, if you're bullish, that's probably the right way to play it. I didn't get in. I wasn't in. I'm not in. I'm missing this entire move, but can't be in everything. So you had your bearish candle here on July 13th, and bloop, perfect close above that resistance on the 14th, the very next day. And since then, we're just going higher. So you got 5 white candles in a row. Trend is already bullish. Buy the dip. And last but not least, Walmart. WMT. Sideways, choppy, but it's Walmart. Really, really nice trend. Looking toasty. Here's your weekly chart. Weekly chart is storming the castle, and daily chart looks really, really good. So, we're trading sideways. We're doing our thing. We're hanging out. And I wouldn't be bearish on it. So if it pulls back into that double bottom again, well, feel free to buy that dip. And if it continues to trade sideways and breaks out higher, stay long. Long is strong on the market and on Walmart. Friday, I will be back for a trade review where I'll review a specific and individual trade brought to you by someone in the trading community. And then the real life traders are over here are just the greatest community of all time. Seriously, just so much fun. The amount of people talking about Tesla and just how many cool things going on. Robert says the best move I've made this month is buying 7 shares of Tesla earlier this month. And hey, I'll take it. It doesn't have to be a large position to still make money, my friends. That's pretty much what we're saying. But just a really, really fun community. Because as you all know, I've been bullish on Tesla. The internet gave me the nickname the Tesla Bull. So, back in June last year, 180, baby. Tesla going bankrupt. That was the big call from all over the world, and your boy flying up to New York like, no, sir. Time to go bullish. Elon's the man. Anyway, long story from there, but look at that. Look at how that has moved. Also, perfect bounce off the 100 simple on a weekly chart, but we already all knew that. So, of course, that's where a lot of traders went long. But anyway, good stuff, good moments, good move. Love it, love it, love it. Let's keep doing great things for the world and enriching lives, folks. Excited to see how Tesla plays out. But again, most likely going to be a slow bleed out throughout the night. And then, eventually it'll go higher, but it's just going to rest and take its time. Well, until next time, love life and trade. Bye.